On March 31st, 2026, thousands of Oracle employees woke up to the same notification. No meeting, no HR call. Just a 6 a.m. email saying, "Your role has been eliminated." Some saw it on their phones early in the morning. Others walked into the office, only to realize they couldn't even enter their work area. People who worked there for 20 years, people battling cancer, people with massive home loans, all gone in a second. If you still believe that good work is your job security, you are living in a dangerous fantasy. Here's the part they won't tell you in the town hall. Oracle isn't in financial trouble. In Q3, their total revenue hit $17.2 billion, up 22%. Their GAAP earnings? Up 24%. By every financial metric, the company is printing money. So why fire 30,000 people globally and 12,000 people in India? Look at this number, $553 billion. That is Oracle's remaining performance obligations. It's up an insane 325% year over year. Oracle is sitting on $500 million in AI cloud promises. They aren't laying you off because they can't afford you. They are laying you off because they are pivoting. They are trading human salaries for Stargate AI infrastructure. In 2026, companies are making decisions in rooms you'll never see, shifting budgets to machines while you're still trying to prove your loyalty through overtime. Companies are shifting fast. Money is going into AI and automation, so the rules have changed. It's no longer about effort, it's about impact and replaceability. Think about that. You can be the most reliable person on your team, and still, a decision made in a room you'll never enter can end your role overnight. So the question is no longer, am I working hard enough? The real question is something much more uncomfortable. Ask yourself honestly, if I step out today, how valuable am I? And if that question makes you uncomfortable, that's exactly where growth begins. A top corporate recruiter recently issued a warning that every Indian IT professional needs to hear. The only real security is being good enough to land anywhere, not just where you are now, anywhere. If your job disappeared tomorrow, could you land a new one in 60 days? If the answer is no, you don't have a career, you have a ticking time bomb. But here's the good news. Once you understand this shift, you can completely change how you approach your career. The first shift is simple, but uncomfortable. Stop thinking like a company person and start thinking like a market person. Because your real value isn't defined inside your current office, it's defined by what the outside world is willing to pay for your skills. Once you understand that, something else becomes clear. Opportunities don't just come from applying, they come from people, which is why your network matters more than ever. Your next role is far more likely to come from a conversation than from a job portal. And finally, you need a regular reality check. Every few months, update your resume. Put it out there. Not because you want to leave immediately, but because you want to stay aware. If recruiters aren't reaching out, it's not bad luck. It's feedback. A signal that your skills may be slowly losing relevance. Because surviving this era isn't about working harder. It's about staying visible, staying connected, and staying valuable. The rules of the game have changed, and the sooner you adapt, the stronger your career becomes. Now I want to hear from you. If your job disappeared tomorrow, how confident are you that you could land another role quickly? Be honest. Share your thoughts in the comments.